Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix lag or stuttering in Battlefield 6. So this is pretty much the network issue and I will show you how to fix it now. So first up, in your browser type in Litrix latency fix like this, and then you need to go to the WoW interface website and download the application from here. After you install it, after you download it, just open it up and extract the files. Once the files have been extracted, go into the folder, launch this application. It's completely safe. It's not any kind of virus or nothing like that. And then you just press on install. This fixes a lot of latency in your video games and your general latency when you're browsing websites. Just, yeah, amazing app. Also, guys, open up your settings and then you go to a network. Let me see, network and internet, advanced network settings, and then you go internet options. After that, guys, just open up a control panel, then you go to network and internet, network and sharing center, then you go to adapter settings, and if you have Ethernet, go to Ethernet. If you're using Wi-Fi, go to Wi-Fi, right click, then properties, then you go internet protocol IPv4, configure, yes, go to advanced, and in here, guys, you need to disable all offload settings. So offload is pretty much power saving settings. They slow down your internet. So as you can see, mine are disabled already. So offload, this offload, as you can see everywhere, it's disabled for me. Also this offload, this, all of the offload settings should be disabled. And after that, you just do that. You just press on OK, exit. Your internet will restart and then you can try again. And also, guys, you have to understand that this is a server, pretty much bugs and instabilities. So just go ahead and check if Battlefield servers are down. So as you can see, users indicate no current problems at Battlefield. So should be working fine now. Also in the server status here, check if the servers are online. And that's pretty much everything you can do now. Hopefully one of these fixes you. Enjoy, guys, and press thumbs up on the video if it helped.